Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Kat Scrappiness, and I am here introducing even more embellishments in the store. Yay, especially for this new release, this Halloween and Thanksgiving release. Kat has an extensive line of embellishments, from shaker bits like this, the clay shaker bits, to sequins, sequin mixes, shaker bits, like pearls and dots and all kinds of good stuff. All right, so let's take a closer look. She's adding more to her pumpkin shaker bits. Brand new is the marshmallow sprinkles. So let's take a look at this cutie patootie. Details will be listed below for the embellishment. I will do the embellishment section, the whole section, so you can shop around and see all the goodies, and also these individual new bits. Here is a close-up of the marshmallow sprinkles. And these shaker bits really add sparkle and personality and personalization to your shaker cards, or just use them as embellishments to decorate your cards or your projects. Alrighty, details are listed below. Thank you for watching.